Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, rather than wait for the sprocket to turn up, I've decided to put the throttle body back in and the carby, and plug all the wiring back in that needs doing. So I can do everything else. I can even put the petrol tank back on, because none of that's involved with down there. So I ordered from Hitchcocks a Headsteady EFI models up to 2014. 92679 was the part number. Up to 2014, one end has a slot and the fuel tank piece that hangs down here and bolts in. The thin side goes inside and the fuel tank fits in between that gap when you bolt that down tight. So I'm going to take the old one off, and you can get two of these, one each side, but I think they're about £30, which is like $60 Australian nearly. So I'm going to do one, but then if there's, what I might do is actually put this on the other side, because I can. So it's a 13mm on the head of the bolt, and 13mm on the other end too. So I'm just changing these now while I've got room, because once the throttle body goes in, it might be less room to do things. I won't torque them all down. So there's a slot for the back. The front end has a neat fit to the motor. So again, the thin side goes in, so the fuel tank can fit in. And the bolt may not be long enough. So it's not really quite, it needs to be a fraction longer, and if I put that on, so I am going to see if I can find another bolt, otherwise I'm going to need to buy one.